Namaste, I am Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you to this Sunday special episode of Yoga with Acharya Pratishtha. In this episode, I will be sharing easy way to master Sheershasan, which is commonly known as Headstand. Sheersh means the best. Hence, it is called Sheershasan because this is one of the best posture which is beneficial in many problems. But remember, if you are overweight, do not try Sheershasan. If you have any problem at the back of your neck, you are not able to bear the weight of your body at your head, do not attempt Sheershasan. And do not try to do Sheershasan straight away with the help of the wall. I have seen many people posting their photos on social media that they are going to a gym and all of a sudden they start doing Sheershasan by the support of a wall. No. Once we start learning with support, we will never end up living without support. So you have to learn the right and the exact way of practicing Sheershasan.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए भारत योगा यूट्यूब चैनल को, सब्सक्राइब बटन प्रेस करें और बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करना ना भूलें हमारे वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए, और ये बिल्कुल फ्री है.
So here I will tell you how to master your Sheershasan. Initially we begin with Ardha Sheershasan, then 1/4 Sheershasan, then we go to the final stage of Sheershasan. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe now and do not forget to share these videos with your loved ones. This is the best way to help others to spread more positivity, more health and more happiness in people's lives. Thank you. Hari Om.
For Ardha Sheershasan, sit in Vajrasan, interlock your fingers and place your fingers right in front of you on the floor. Now bend forward and touch your forehead to the floor, and top of your head should be touching your palms. Now this should be your ideal position for Sheersh or Ardha Sheershasan, ideal position for your head. Now you lift up your knees and bring your toes closer to your head as much as possible. Gradually increase your practice, bring it as close as possible, and make sure that you reach a position where your spine is absolutely straight. Stay in this position as long as comfortable, and then slowly bring your knees down, and then make fist and keep right fist on the left and place your forehead on your fist. This is very important. Do not sit straight away and do not at all stand straight away after practicing Ardha Sheersh or Sheershasan. So sit in this position for some time and then slowly sit in Vajrasan first instead of standing straight away. Let the circulation of blood be normal. This is a very important factor which you must keep in mind when you're practicing Sheershasan. Now practice it for around 1 week every single day. After 1 week, you may start lifting up your legs easily. Don't give any jerk. Don't take support of a wall. Just slowly try to lift up your legs as much as you can, then come back. Again, lift up your legs as much as you can, come back. Do it very slowly, very gently. Now do it for another 1 week. Now you're done doing it for 2 weeks. For first week, Ardha Sheershasan. Second week, you are trying to lift up your legs. Now you slowly lift up your legs as much as you can. Maybe initially you can lift it up only till half, but then gradually you can lift up your legs completely. Now first they will be in a bent position. Your body will be a little bent towards your stomach, from your stomach, but then slowly try to make it straight, and then even you can do Baddha Sheershasan or Padma Sheershasan like I am doing right here in this video. So don't do it with support of a wall or support of a person or any kind of support. Just try to do it straight away. Have patience. It is not something which is impossible. You can do it very easily. It's a 3-week practice. Within 3 weeks, you can do Sheershasan very easily. I hope you found this video helpful. I will be uploading a new video every Sunday. Subscribe to this channel and stay connected to us. You can also like, comment, share, and send your feedback. You can also join us at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.